Hello everyone, I am Fahim, co-founder of Ostad, and Ostad is your learning partner. Where YouTube, Coursera, and Udemy end, Ostad starts. Because you will learn skills on live. How? Let's share a story of Mr. Haibur Rahman. Mr. Haibur Rahman lives in Kumilla, which is far away from Dhaka. He wants to learn the skill SolidWorks, but he could not find any instructor in his locality. Also, his college curriculum is also not compatible enough. So he had to come to Dhaka and get admitted into an academy. But doing offline courses through an academy is hectic and costly. And due to some other reasons, he had to get dropped off of the offline course. So he learned nothing. In the meantime, he also joined some pre-recorded video courses. In those pre-recorded video courses, he saw that his instructor is designing and he is watching. But the case should be he is designing and his instructor is watching and correcting him. As a result, like the 90% other people, Haibur Rahman also got dropped off the pre-recorded video courses. So what's the solution? To solve this problem, we have introduced Ostad, an on-live learning platform that focuses on skill development. Country's top-notch industry leaders are your learning partners here, and they will teach you live. All our curriculums are industry focused, so you will learn just the industry is needed through an affordable and easily accessible way, which will save 40% of your cost and 10 hours weekly. You are also getting exposed to an closed community through which you can excel your network and your skills also. You can ask for any problem and you will get an instant solution from that community. Currently, our learners are developing 30 plus skills under 7 categories from 50 plus instructors, and they are having 98 plus learner satisfactions. The 7 categories are language, higher studies, computer science, freelancing, corporate, engineering, and content creation. A common question arises when live classes are introduced. Where can I get the class link? Where can I get the Zoom link? Or where can I get the Meet link? This excessive problem is solved through Ostad platform. You can join any class, any live classes with just a single click using Ostad platform. And also after each classes, the whole class is getting recorded and gets stored in your dashboard. A two-in-one solution, live class with class recordings. Also, you are getting all the resources too. Okay, first of all, about hiring the teachers. Let me explain the whole journey about hiring the teachers and all the providing the teaching. First of all, we inspect the market of a single skill, and if we think that it is going to work, then um, from our personal network and our referral programs, like as we have uh, very better instructors right now, they also refers to other instructors, and also we are in a situation where people willingly comes to our platform and wants to provide their skill development programs. So from those streams, our instructors are getting hired, and after that, we launch an course through our platform, and our learners are getting acquired. Right now, we are using Facebook and social media platforms, and also one of our biggest achievements right now, I have to say that we are using our internal links and human resources from universities and other institutions to provide offline introductions to our platform for learning a new skill. An example, a huge amount of students from BUET are already has already taken several courses from our platform like Simulink and MATLAB. And as we are focusing on 7 categories, these categories cover almost all the skills that are needed for the market of Bangladesh. model we have right now is our instructors are free to their schedule, module, and asking amount. They can select their preferred time. They can select their preferred amount of money per class. And after that, we provide a marking on that per class model, and then we introduce the courses. And after that, we generate our revenue through the whole batch. And as they are providing their per class values, if it's we don't actually think that we will be touching we will be moderating those numbers until or unless it's too high or too low, and we compare that with our market demands and available market data. As you can see, we are offering courses under 7 categories, and the we are launching courses like GRE, IELTS from higher studies section. We are launching courses like Al Quran, like spoken English from language section. We are launching courses like QuickBooks Pro, Power BI, which is really great responsive from our industry perspective. And the most of all, which is really an untapped market right now, it is the engineering skills like SolidWorks, MATLAB, Simulink, etc. And people are really trying to get a hold on these courses because it's very much important for them to excel in their professional life also.